the Tranya T10. These got 12 millimeter drivers in them. You know, for an earbud, that is a massive driver. So I'm assuming these things are going to produce a crap load of bass. Yeah, I can't wait to get into this box, man. It's got this plastic on it. I'm kind of excited. So how should we do this? You want to do Mr. Meat before the intro or after the intro? Let's do it after the intro. Let's do it. Hey buddy, how you been? Well, I don't mean to bother you. I was just hoping that you could do me a small favor since you're just hanging out here in my video. Yeah, I got this box for you to open up, man. Do you mind? Yeah. Ooh, yeah, that's that package pop, baby. You know, I like hearing that package pop. Look at that. There she is right there. Tranya. Tranya actually sounds like a sexy lady's name, man. I'm not even going to lie to you. Hey, but before we get on with this, I need y'all to give a shout out to Mr. Meat, man. Mr. Meat is the hardest working thing on this channel, man. So everybody give Mr. Meat some emoji hands as he goes back into his house. Now, on to the Tranya T10 True Wireless Earbud. So get in here, man. There you go. Get your eyeballs fixed on that package right there. Let me open this up. Whoa, there they are. So these are the Tranya T10s right here, and this is what kind of case you're going to get. This is actually a pretty thick case, but it does have that USB-C charging. Hey, man, this is my standard now. I let a lot of people pass in 2018 and 2019 with micro USB, man, but in 2020 I ain't taking no mess out of these companies. So Tranya came correct with the USB-C. I can appreciate that. Now let's open these bad boys up and take a look at, oh, okay, they got ergonomics happening here. You see the ergonomics happening right there? Got a little step up right there so it can rest in your ear walls really well. And this tip right here will go deep into your ear canal. I'm kind of digging that. Other than that, it's kind of a basic design. And there's nothing wrong with that because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Ain't no need to be too radical on designs. These ear tips actually look like they're going to be a good fit. And yes, I am correct in that. It's kind of weird because I just tried out some earbuds that had what looked to be super small ear tips and they actually fit very well. But these are large and they fit good too. I don't know what's up with my ear canals today. But I guess I got to get these things paired up. But let me see what comes in this accessories case. Of course, you got your charging cable right here. And then you're going to get some extra ear tips, which I am not going to need. But these look just, yeah, there's no foam complier or nothing like that. And then, of course, you get the case and some instructions. So I'll tell you what, man. I'm going to go ahead and get these things paired up to the phone. And then we're going to do something. What we gonna do? Yeah, man, you know what we gonna do, man. Y'all cut that out, man. Quit acting like you don't know what's next. But do they jam know?
You got the soul and you know how to use it. Put your hand on my hip, 'cause
All right. That was Brett Eldridge. Yeah, man. Brett Eldridge, Beat of the Music. That's a doggone good song. Hey, man, if you don't like country music, I'm gonna have to reevaluate our friendship because country music is all right, man. Just give it a shot. It ain't really about, you know, some lady taking a man's dog in his house no more. You know what I'm saying? It's like real life stuff. You know, it's about having a good time. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, you know, we'll talk about the country music later. Let me finish telling you about these earbuds. They are pretty fly and they are full featured, which I like. Some earbuds just do the basics and they stick to it. Some earbuds like these are full featured, but these have an interesting take when it comes to full featured. So what happens is you got track control, right? So on the right earbud, 3 taps will take you forward a track, and then 3 taps on the left earbud will take you back a track. In order to control the volume, it's 2 taps on the left or the right to go up and down. And then of course you got your play and pause and then answering in calls and your Google Assistant or Siri and stuff like that. So these are fully featured true wireless earbuds. And they also do hot swapping. So you can use these individually if you want to. But during my jam session, I also discovered that they have wireless charging built into the case. So as you can see here, the lights are not lit up and neither is my wireless charging pad here. But if you just bring them together just like that, let me get it right. There they go. Okay, so if you put it on the coil, there you go. So you'll see that light blinking and you'll see my charging pad light come on. That means that wireless charging is engaged. Good luck. Now on to more important things such as the sound. Now the sound is really good. Got a lot of bass in there. And for that reason, I'm gonna have to recommend it for people who are who are doing stuff. This is for the active person, man. You want some good passive noise canceling because of that step in the ear well, so you get to block off all that sound, and that is going to help get that bass into your ear because these do provide it. They don't necessarily focus on the mids and the highs too much. It's really bass heavy sounds that you're going to get out of here. Although all the music does sound good put together as far as all the elements, I just think that, you know, for an earbud like this, that sound signature, it makes me want to do stuff like swim, lift weights, box, do some CrossFit or something. I don't know. It makes me want to do some stuff. And as a matter of fact, man, if you can see this right here, all the instructions, they got a cat swimming, man. They're saying that basically you can swim in these. You just need to do the freestyle swim. You can't be swimming in the deep waters right there. So yeah, man, if you're going to put these earbuds in your ear, you need to be doing something, man, because that beat will drop and it'll make you want to do something.
Falling in love to the beat of music.
So I highly recommend these for people who want to do stuff like fitness or swimming. Freestyle swimming. Either way, I am no expert in this kind of stuff, but what I do know is life is short. So if you ain't getting your jam on, you are doing it wrong, my friend. You are doing it so wrong. So hopefully you get your life figured out by the time I come back with another video. But until then, y'all make sure y'all keep being good to each other, and I'll see you when I see you. Oh, so you wanted them cats that like to just run up in a place, take what you want, then leave, huh? Man, you better hit that subscribe and notification button. That way you know when I'm over here opening up new stuff. And while you're down there, you might want to consider tapping that join button and becoming a member, because membership has its perks. See, that wasn't so bad. All right, man, I appreciate you, and I'll see you at the next one.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?